Your oven is lying to you, and it's ruining your food. In this video, we reveal the best oven thermometers to expose the truth and instantly level up your baking, roasting, and broiling. From budget-friendly picks to pro-level tools, we've tested them all so you don't waste a single meal. Check the links in the description box below to see our top picks and save your cooking. Let's get started now. Number 1 is the OXO Good Grips Oven Thermometer, which earns its top-tier reputation with precision and practicality. Built from durable stainless steel, it measures temperatures from 100 degrees Fahrenheit to 600 degrees Fahrenheit, making it equally useful for slow bakes or high-heat roasts. Its standout feature is the smart, flexible design. You can stand it on a rack or hang it from a shelf, keeping it visible wherever it's needed. The bold, easy-to-read display stays legible through oven doors, even in dim light or when spotted with grease. Chefs trust it for quick, reliable readings that reflect your oven's true heat, not just the setting. From flaky croissants to golden roasts, this thermometer helps ensure every dish comes out exactly as intended. Accuracy never looked so clear. Number 2 is the ThermoWorks Square Dot Digital Oven Thermometer, delivering professional-level precision for both home and commercial kitchens. Equipped with a high-accuracy probe, it monitors oven temperatures in real time and even calculates a 15 minutes rolling average to reveal heat fluctuations, an edge for anyone perfecting bread, smoked meats, or delicate bakes. The large, easy-to-read display rests conveniently on your counter, while the probe threads neatly into the oven, keeping you informed without opening the door. More than just a thermometer, it's a data-driven cooking assistant that helps you maintain consistent heat for flawless results. While its price sits above standard analog options, the reliability, accuracy, and control it offers make it a smart investment for serious cooks who demand precision in every recipe. Number 3 is the Taylor 5932 Large Dial Oven and Grill Thermometer, offering dependable performance at a price that's hard to beat. Spanning 100 degrees Fahrenheit to 600 degrees Fahrenheit, it's versatile enough for everything from slow roasting to high-heat grilling. Its oversized dial is the real draw. Clear, bold markings make it easy to read through the oven door, so you keep heat in while keeping tabs on your dish. Housed in durable stainless steel, it's built to handle intense temperatures without warping. A built-in hook lets you hang it from a rack or stand it upright, depending on your setup. Endorsed by pros like Ina Garten, it's proof that accurate, reliable temperature tracking doesn't have to cost more than a couple of coffees. Number 4, the KitchenAid KQ9033 in analog dial oven thermometer is a go-to for cooks who want analog simplicity with standout precision. Offering plus or minus 5 degrees Fahrenheit accuracy, it reliably reveals whether your oven is running true to its setting. Its compact stainless steel build clips securely to oven racks, keeping it steady in any position. The bright red needle pops against the clean, well-marked dial, making readings quick and effortless, even through the oven door. True to KitchenAid's reputation, it's tough enough for daily use and designed to deliver consistent results for years. Favored by home bakers who value accuracy without going digital, this thermometer ensures your roasts, breads, and pastries bake at the exact temperature they deserve. Last is the RUBBERMAID Commercial Stainless Steel Monitoring Oven Thermometer, which blends durability with straightforward performance. Covering 60 degrees Fahrenheit to 580 degrees Fahrenheit, it works for everything from low and slow braises to searing heat on the grill. Its large, clear dial makes temperature checks effortless, while the stainless steel body stands up to the demands of frequent high-heat cooking, indoors or outdoors. Designed for simplicity, it needs no batteries, no calibration, and no complicated setup. Just place or hang it in your oven or grill, and it's ready to give accurate readings every time. Built for commercial use, yet priced for home kitchens, it's a dependable, low-maintenance tool that ensures your heat is exactly where you want it, without the fuss. Thanks for sticking around. Which oven thermometer will you choose to take your cooking to the next level? Got any questions or recommendations? Share them in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more videos. We'll see you in the next one.